Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Shopify affiliate program with referral link setup, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log in to your Shopify admin panel. From the dashboard, navigate to the apps section. In the apps section, click on Visit Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type affiliate program. Browse through the results to find a suitable affiliate program app. Click on the app that best fits your needs. On the app page, click the Add App button. Follow the prompts to install the app into your Shopify store. Once the app is installed, navigate back to your Shopify dashboard. Find the newly installed affiliate program app in the Apps section. Click on the app to open it. Follow the setup instructions provided within the app. You may need to create an account or log in, depending on the app. After logging in, configure the settings to match your store's brand. Set up your commission structure for affiliate partners. This may include setting percentages or flat rates for sales. Next, customize your affiliate link settings. Some apps allow you to generate unique referral links automatically. Make sure to enable tracking for the affiliate links. Test the referral link to ensure it works correctly. After confirming it works, create affiliate promotional materials. This can include banners, social media posts, or email templates. Finally, share the entry process with potential affiliates. Provide clear instructions on how they can sign up and promote your store. Once your affiliates are set up, monitor performance through the app. Review sales generated through the affiliate program regularly. Adjust your strategy as needed to optimize your affiliate partnerships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.